We interrupt this broadcast to take you to the Australian news channel, Channel News.
G'day, I'm Brian King. You can call me Bri, and this is BRI King News. House and arrested him. He was held in custody for several hours before police realised that the blood was in fact just a spilled fruit smoothie. News just in. It's official, yawning is contagious. A recent 5-year study has shown that when people see other people yawning, or even just pretending to yawn, they are 10% more likely to start feeling like yawning themselves. So, for instance, if I was starting to talk like this, and sounded like I was about to yawn, you might feel a bit like yawning yourself. Or not. Let me know if that little experiment worked on you or not.
Oh, you got me, Bri. It worked.
And some more news just in. A lorry carrying cough syrup has collided with another lorry carrying eucalyptus leaves. However, police are not expecting there to be any congestion as a result. Well, anything? Anyone? Ah, just yawning then.
Oh no!
Oh, Bri.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Oh, that's rank.
My eyes.
Is there a window in the studio?
Brian.
I'm gonna be sick.
Open the window.
Brian, what have you been eating?
Ah, Struth. Oh, Bri. I can smell that one, and I'm on the other side of the planet. Oh, can you smell that? Oh, no, it's not me. Oh, you'd know it was mine. Oh, Brian.
Something's died inside you, mate.
My eyes are stinging.